Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And for this video I will tell you about the smart split option in your device Vivo X Note and X Fold. So if in this device you want to know about the feature of the smart split or you want to use this feature, you can do it by the method as I will tell you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the smart split and use this feature in your device. Let's watch it.